In this video, we'll show you how to automate your evergreen content using the Recycle feature in Social Champ. Save time, stay consistent, and keep your social media accounts active without manual scheduling. Let's dive in. Log into your Social Champ account and click on Recycle from the left-hand panel. The Recycle feature works in 2 simple steps. Create a collection and then run it as a campaign. Start by clicking Create a Collection. Name your collection based on the type of content you want to recycle, like blog posts, promotions, or quotes, and hit Create. Now add posts to this collection. You can create a new post using the editor, or upload multiple posts via CSV using bulk upload. Click Add Post, create your content, and hit Create to save it. You can also click on Bulk Upload button to add the posts in bulk. Upload the CSV file and using the bulk action select all the posts and click Confirm. Now click on Collection to see the posts. Use the top right 3 dots to Shuffle Collection, empty the collection entirely, export posts as CSV or edit collection. Here you can add the label, edit or delete the individual post. You can also sort or search posts easily using the available options. Want more? Just click plus Create New Collection to build another. Now go to Create Campaign, then click Create New. Enter a campaign name, choose your social accounts, and select the collection you want to run. You can also enable UTM tracking, set your start and end dates, and define posting time slots. When you're done, click Create Campaign. Once your campaign is active, Social Champ will automatically publish posts based on your set schedule. You can pause, edit, or delete posts anytime by going back into the collection. And that's it. The Recycle feature helps you automate your content strategy like a pro, maintaining the consistency at your socials. Start recycling today and let your content do the work for you.